I knew the divorce wasn't going to be easy, but I wasn't prepared for how confident my ex looked in court. She had a sharp lawyer, the kind who spoke calmly, smiled politely, and made every accusation sound reasonable. According to them, I was controlling, irresponsible, and somehow the reason our marriage failed. I barely recognized the version of myself they described. Every hearing followed the same pattern. She cried, her lawyer spoke. I sat quietly while my attorney reminded me not to react. By the final hearing, I was exhausted and honestly scared. Custody, finances, everything was on the line. Then something strange happened. During testimony, her lawyer started asking detailed questions, not about me, but about timelines, dates, decisions, who was present during certain events. At first, it felt routine. Then he paused. He asked my ex to repeat an answer she'd already given earlier. She hesitated, corrected herself. The lawyer frowned slightly and flipped through his notes. He asked another question. Same topic, different phrasing. This time, her answer didn't match either version. You could feel the shift in the room. The lawyer asked for a moment to review his files. The judge allowed it. They stepped aside, whispered, argued quietly. When they returned, her lawyer didn't sit down. He cleared his throat and addressed the judge. Your Honor, I need to withdraw from representation. Everyone froze. The judge asked why. The lawyer didn't get dramatic. He didn't raise his voice. He just said he'd realized key parts of the case were based on information that was inconsistent and unreliable. In plain terms, he'd been given a story that didn't hold up under oath. The hearing stopped. The judge ordered additional review and postponed everything. Over the next few weeks, the truth came out, not because I attacked her, but because her own statements couldn't stay straight. Timelines conflicted, claims contradicted records, assertions unraveled when examined closely. Her accusations lost credibility, mine stayed consistent. The outcome wasn't revenge, it wasn't dramatic, it was quiet, fair, and final. That day taught me something important. Sometimes the truth doesn't need to shout, it just needs time. If you believe honesty always catches up eventually, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.